Mexico's allure captivates travelers with its vibrant culture, stunning landscapes, and irresistible cuisine that beckons exploration. Discover Puerto Vallarta, a tropical paradise boasting golden beaches and crystal-clear waters nestled in the Bay of Banderas. Join a TEFL training center with decades of experience, preparing you to teach English through innovative and effective methods. Accommodation in Puerto Vallarta is easy to find, with varied options tailored to fit every budget and personal preference. Teaching jobs in Mexico are plentiful, with a high demand for English teachers, especially during peak hiring seasons. Embrace the adventure of teaching abroad, with the promise of incredible experiences in Mexico's enchanting landscapes.